everyone. On behalf of BVM Global at Trichy, myself Reshika
and myself Mansi
have done a PPT presentation on our math lab activity topic, the midpoint theorem.
So now let's get started.
Midpoint theorem. The contents we are gonna see in this slide are introduction, more about midpoint theorem, is it only possible by triangle, and then proving it. Introduction. The midpoint theorem states that the line segment in a triangle joining the midpoint of two sides of the triangle is said to be parallel to its third side and is also half of the length of the third side. More about midpoint theorem. In geometry, the midpoint is the middle point of a line segment. If the line segment adjoins midpoints of any of the sides of a triangle, then the line segment is said to be parallel to all the remaining sides and in measure about half of the remaining sides. Can this midpoint theorem only be used in a triangle? No. It can also be used in a circle, ellipse, as well as a hyperbola.
Today we are going to learn how to verify the midpoint theorem by paper folding, cutting and pasting method.
Things needed for this activity: color papers, glue, scissors and markers.
Before the verification, we need to know the meaning of the theorem. So let me explain the theorem to you. First, take a triangle and name it ABC and take the midpoints of the two sides. Mark the midpoint of AB as P and mark the midpoint of AC as Q and join it. So the statement of the theorem is line segment joining midpoint of any two-side triangle is parallel and half of the third side. Now for finding the midpoint of AB, A will overlap with the side B. Mark the mid. And similarly, for finding the midpoint of AC, A will overlap with the side C. Mark the point as Q. Join the line segment PQ. Now we are going to prove that PQ is half of BC and PQ is parallel to BC. Now first let me find the half of BC. Overlap B with C and fold it to get the midpoint of BC. Mark it F. I have taken another triangle, pasted in a sheet of paper so that the concept and the steps are clearly understood. After cutting a triangle APQ, now I am going to place it in the way where Q overlaps angle C. After performing the following steps, the output is presented on the screen. As you can see that angle Q has exactly overlapped angle C. This proves angle Q and angle C are equal. Hence the corresponding angles are equal. Line segment PQ and BC are parallel to each other. Thank you.
Thank you.